Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with a makeup look. I am so happy and excited to finally sit down and start doing makeup again and filming looks for you guys. I know I took a break. If you watched my previous video, you know why I took a break. So today I'm filming this look. I am like beyond obsessed with this look. I love how it turned out. I love the colors and I am just obsessed with the technique and everything. And I matched it to my nails, and these are my Paulina nail dip press-ons that I create and hand paint. I will link everything down below for you guys to find everything and have all the details and updates and all that will be down below. But I am obsessed. Like, look at how well my makeup matches my nails. What is better than that? Nothing. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. As my base, I'm going into the Beauty Creations Color Base Primer in Jade. I'm first going to start off by creating the shadow wing shape with my EO6 Wing Liner Brush by Sigma. Now with my Sigma F70 Concealer Brush, I'm going to fill in the entire shape of the shadow. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Let That Shit Go eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Over It. I'm now picking up this shadow on my EO6 Wing Liner Brush, and I'm just using this brush for the detail work, kind of just to outline the shape of this shadow. And I'm doing that and stopping that about like a third way into my lid. And now with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to start tapping this shadow. And because the base is sticky, look at how intense the shadow becomes. And just by tapping it on, you get that really intense payoff from the shadow. So I just keep tapping the shadow on until I get the intensity and darkness that I like. So I'm not going any further than this, and I kind of just tap and then pull back, going like that kind of, but not so intense, and it really helps to just diffuse that shadow in. Look at that. Just like that even looks so pretty. I'm now going in to Shake It Off. I'm now going in with this shadow right next to that darker green. And again, stopping it right here. And if you want it to be really intense, you can just pick that shadow up with your finger and just apply it. And look at how pretty that became. And then I'm just going to perfect the edges. And then to blend this, I'm now going this way and doing that same kind of swiping motion to really just diffuse that out. I'm now picking up Good Karma. And now let's just apply this shadow in the inner corner. I'm now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Overdrive. I'm now going to line my upper waterline. And then I'm going to line my lower waterline. And now picking up Over It on my EO6 Wing Liner Brush, I'm just going to create a little inner corner. I'm now going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into Tati Lashes and TL19. And that's the eye look done. Me liking this look is an understatement. I am obsessed. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. It matches my nails so well, and I love it. I love it so much. I feel like this just made me so happy and excited to get back into doing makeup again. Okay, now for lips, we're going to keep them nude. I want all that concentration on this eye look. I mean, we need all that concentration up there. So first, to line my lips, I'm going to fill them in also with this lip pencil by NYX. This is the lip pencil in Nude Truffle, and I am obsessed with this lip pencil. You can clearly tell I love it so much. It's so small. I've been trying to find it everywhere in store and I can't find it. It's sold out everywhere. So I think I'm just going to have to order it online, but I love this shade so much. So let's line my lips and fill them in. And now in the center, I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. You guys have seen me use this combination so many times. I love this nude lip combo. It's one of my favorites. And I'm just going to apply this in the center of my lips and pat that out. And that is it. This is the completed look of my Gradient Green Smoky Cat Eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am, once again, like I mentioned a couple times, obsessed with the look. Love it so much. You can create this look with any shade and any colors that you want. I'm just obsessed with this technique. I already have a look a few videos back that I did with purple, and I love it so much. And again, it matches my nails so perfectly. So don't forget to follow me on both my Instagrams. That will be down in the description box, along with all the products and brushes that I used for this look. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I will be uploading much more often now, getting back into the makeup looks. I'm so happy to be back, and I just realized how much I missed doing makeup, and it just felt so nice to sit down and create again. I'm loving it. So now I'm creating on my eyes and my nails. So don't forget to follow me on everywhere, and that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!